Would you throw a cover on me with the evening's burning rays? Let darkness steal our honeymoon. Won't you let me be a free bird out on the wind? Let me be a free bird fly home again. Far away from these bitter times. But because I am a raven, you would cast me into the dark, where warmth and light are nevermore. Won't you let me be a free bird out on the wind? Let me be a free bird fly home again. After life has left me lying on the ground in the shadow of some graveyard trees, shattering the silence comes the mournful songbird sound to tell this troubled world I'm finally free. Make sure I grab the right guitar up here. So I write a lot of songs about traveling and living in a van. I don't live in a van anymore. I moved into a house, but I'm rarely there. So I still spend a lot of my time in a van. And every time I move states, I come back to Colorado in between to like regroup and gather. But can you guys hear that? Some guitar going out there. This one's about how sometimes life doesn't go as planned, but it keeps going. And if it keeps going, then I guess you're in good shape. My van recently died, so I'm mourning the loss of my van, so I'm playing extra van songs. R.I.P. Shenanigans. I once met a man by the kitchen sink at a birthday party, with a whiskey smile and an old man's wink. He tempted me out on love's winding highway, where the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on, with the wind at our backs and the road so smooth in the summer sunshine. Flying past a milepost on the move, no trifling about what lies beyond the next curve, where the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. Yeah, the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. I feel the men I love won't love me. But I don't wanna be just another detour, one more rest stop or roadside attraction. When the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. So I'm driving out the troubles running in my mind, with miles and miles of white lines. Oil rigs, graveyards, and exit signs, filling up the space that's growing between us. When the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. Yeah, the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. Last night I slept in a big warm bed, my baby's arms around me. But tonight I'll sleep in an old Ford van, out in the heartland, cold and lonely. 'Cause the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. Yeah, the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. Yeah, the wheels keep turning and the road rolls on. It's time I get out my very first love, the bass. So when I play with other people, accompanying them, I got my start being a freelance bass player. So I love to play the bass, and I love to play the bass all by myself. Is also fun because I'm used to hearing it that way. That's the way I practice at home. And this one is off of my upcoming record, which will be out sometime. It's mostly done, but mostly done, and then you just gotta hurry up and wait for it to get finished. This one is it's about trains. I live by the railroad tracks, maybe 3 houses from a double railroad crossing, and so the trains come by all night and all day, and they blow their whistles going both ways, and I kind of love it. But it works its way into my brain, and I write a lot of songs about trains. And I put out this record called Looney Bird, which is over there. If you guys want some records, I've got so many. And they have great artwork on them, so even if you don't like them, you can hang them on your wall and enjoy them that way. But I put a lot of train songs on that, and this one guy reviewed it, and he took issue with how many train songs I had. Which doesn't make any sense to me. I don't think there's such a thing as too many train songs. So I made up this song for Fred Smith. If you see him, you can tell him that I made this song for him. It's called Another Train Song. Well, my heart's true love is a train man by blood, with eyes dark as coal, rhythm of the rail. He tunes his guitar to that old whistle's wail, and goes howling along to an old traveling song. My heart's true love is a train man by blood. Ooh. Sing it again, the lonesome refrain of another train song. We'll take a walk down the line and go stepping out back in time. steam engineers and coal-faced firemen. I'd like to pretend that I'm a passenger back then. Hear the whistles and bells and ghost robocalls. Take a walk down the line and go stepping back in time. Ooh, ooh, sing it again, the lonesome refrain, another train song. Sing it again, a lonesome refrain, another train song. Thanks so much for listening and hanging out. I've had so much fun hearing all the songs, and I can't wait to hear some more songs. If there's one thing I like, it's songs. And thanks to the sound guys doing a great job back there, making everything sound great, and give them, yeah, that's right.